Welcome to WebStylePress. If you haven't already subscribed, consider subscribing and hit bell icon for updates. This is a CSS Flexbox game. CSS Flexbox is a better CSS technique that replaces CSS floats technique in grid system. Grid system has a container or raw that contains columns inside it. CSS Flexbox offers huge flexibility to manage grid system, and you can align or order columns inside a row in an easy way. In this game, consider blue area as raw or container. Consider frog inside it as a column. So this blue area is a row and this frog is a column. We have to apply CSS properties to move frogs at proper positions. Each frog will go over lilypad of same color. In this level, we have to move this frog at this lilypad by applying CSS properties. So we have to use justify content. So justify content will accept these properties: flex start, flex end, center, space between, space around. So it is already at the flex start, and I think we'll have to use flex end to move it at this lily pad. Alright, so let's proceed next. Now we have got two frogs, one yellow and one green. So justify content center. Yep. Next. Again, we'll have to use justify content. And justify content, we can use space between. We have got another property or another value for justify content, that is space around. Next, again justify content, and this will be space between. So space between. And here we have align items. Align items. So align items flex end. I guess flex end. Next, justify content center, and we can use align items. Again center. We can use flex start here, flex end, and center in this case, and here flex start, flex end, and center. So justify content is horizontal alignment, and align items is vertical alignment. Okay, so justify content and align items again. Justify content center, align items center. Okay, so justify content space around, and align items, flex end. Flex direction. Flex direction, raw, it's already raw, so we will use a raw reverse, and that's it. Next. And flex direction, raw reverse and column reverse. Flex direction, raw, it's already raw, reverse. Okay, column, column reverse, so it will be column. And we have to use here flex direction and justify content. Basically this red frog will go over a red lily pad, and this green frog will go over this green lily pad. Okay, so flex direction, raw reverse. Okay, and justify content. Justify content, flex start, we have to move these three at the left side. Justify content, flex start, flex end. So justify content flex start should bring these three to the left side, but it is not, because this raw is raw dash reverse, right? So this raw reverse, because raw has been reversed, so we will use flex end here to move these to the left side. Okay, flex direction, justify content, and flex direction, justify content. Notice that when the flex direction is column, flex direction is column, justify content changes to the vertical, and align items to the horizontal. Okay, justify content, flex start, end. Flex direction, justify content, and flex direction. Flex direction, raw should be column, and column reverse, and justify content will be space between. Next, flex direction, justify content, and align items. Line items, justify content, and flex direction. Okay, so justify content is center. This time it will be center, and This red frog should go over this red lily pad, and this green frog should go over this green lily pad. So align items is flex end is all right, because if we'll use center, it will be like this. So flex end and flex direction, raw, reverse. Let's reverse it. Yep. Okay, cool. Okay, so yellow. This yellow frog, we have to change the order. We have to move this yellow frog over this yellow lily pad. That will bring this red frog over this red lily pad. So this yellow, for this yellow, order 3 6 8 1 0 -1, right, 3 it is. Okay, so now what is this? This is a red. It's about the red frog. Use the order property to send the red frog to his lily pad. This red frog will be here. So order 1. Okay, it moved to the right. Order -1. Okay, so minus can be used as value for the order property in Flexbox. Next, and this is again for the yellow. Another property you can apply to individual items is align self. Okay, align self. This, for this yellow frog, we have to use align self. Align self. That will affect only at this frog or this column. Align self. This property accepts the same values as align items. Align self accepts the same values as align items and its value for this specific item. So we have to bring this yellow frog over this yellow lily pad. So align item should be, let's try center. It, yeah, moved center. Flex and, yep. So it was at the flex start. We used flex end. Okay, next. Okay, so combined order align self to help the frogs to their destinations. These yellow frogs will be over these yellow lily pads, and these greens will be over these green lily pads. So, but we are talking about the yellows, only yellows, and we have got two properties: order and align self. Align self, flex end, align self, flex end. Okay, order 3. Nice. Order 1 0 1 100 -1 1. All right, so next. Okay, so these are kind of squeezed. The frogs are all squeezed onto a single row of lily pads. Spread them out using the flex wrap property. Okay, so flex wrap, we have its values like no wrap, 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 reverse. We will use flex wrap. We will just use a wrap. It was no wrap initially, so there is wrap reverse as well. Okay, So flex wrap. Next, flex direction and flex wrap. All right. Flex wrap, obviously it will be wrap. So what wrap does, it pushes columns downwards or to the next row or next line if there is no spaces available in the first row. And then we have got flex direction. So flex direction would be row. It will be column. It will be column. Yeah. Okay. So flex direction, flex wrap, and flex flow. Flex direction. Let's use column. And okay. Two properties are used too often together. Okay. All right. Column, wrap, wrap, columns. So we will use flex flow, wrap, column, and wrap. Yeah. So flex flow is kind of these two properties, flex direction and flex wrap. So for flex direction, we have used column, and for flex wrap, we have used wrap. These are two values for two properties, flex direction and flex wrap combined. Okay, next, level 21. So display flex wrap, and the frogs are spread all over the pond, but the lily pads are bunched at the top. You can use align content. Okay, so align content, center, no, flex start. Yeah. Flex end, flex start, and center would be like this. So flex start. Next, level 22. We have to use align content, and align content, flex end for sure. Yep. So level 23, display flex wrap, flex direction and align content, flex direction and align content. Flex direction would be column reverse. Okay, so align content center. Okay, yeah, and here is the final level 24. Bring the frogs home one last time by using the CSS properties you have learned. Okay, so can I copy these? Yes. Justify content, maybe we don't need these all. Okay, justify content center and align items I guess we don't need line items here. Flex direction would be column reverse, and order, we don't need order here. Align self, we do not need align self here. Flex wrap, wrap reverse, yep. And flex flow, we don't need flex flow. Align content would be center, nope. Space between, yep. Nice. So we have completed all 24 levels. Well, this is a good game to understand CSS Flexbox in detail. You should give it a try. Go to flexboxfroggy.com and try this game. And that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. If I missed anything or you have something to add, you can comment down below. Ask questions related to this topic. If you haven't already subscribed, subscribe to this channel and hit bell icon to receive updates. Join us on social media. Links are in the description below. Stay tuned for more updates. I will see you in the next video.